Hey guys, it's time to make healthy and amazing veg Italian frittata. Yummy! So first you're gonna order your ingredients from AnyFeast. Then get your egg whites, whisk it in a bowl. Add in some pepper. Add in a little bit of salt. You can adjust according to your taste. And add in the milk. This is going to ensure that the eggs are fluffy and creamy. Whisk, whisk, whisk. It's time to chop up your vegetables. Here I'm using cherry tomato. You can use normal tomatoes if you like. Chop up some spinach. Chop up your bell pepper. You can slice up your bell pepper if you like, or chop it into tiny pieces. It's up to you. And now finally the broccoli. It's time to grate up your zucchini. Fry your vegetables. Make sure you add a bit of salt for taste. Stir it up and cook it until the veggies are softened. Look at that. Vibrant, colorful veggies. It's time to go in with your egg mixture. Give it one last mix for good luck. And now you can pour it all across your vegetables. Make sure you cover everything in the pan. Cover and let cook. And now when the eggs are halfway cooked, you can put your cherry tomatoes in. Look at that. Go ahead with your grated cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. A little bit extra, just for good luck. We're kidding, we just love cheese. The cheese helps with the egg becoming super creamy and super nice. Let this cook down until the cheese melts. You can cover it up. Or, as an alternative, what you can do is you can put it in the oven. Just so the cheese gets that amazing melty broil up top. And we're done. This is a healthy and filling breakfast. Enjoy!